Right guys, I have had a blocked toilet since Saturday morning. It is now, what day is it today? Tuesday night. The toilet is in a bit of a horrible state. I'm ashamed to show it you, but I can't help it because it's just been blocked. I've not been able to use it, but it just looks nasty and it's horrible, but it will not go down. I keep flushing it. I'm going to flush it now and you'll see what happens. I must have flushed it 15-20 times since Saturday morning, so it just fills up every time and then it will go down, but really slowly. So let's flush it. You'll see it's absolutely minging. I'm going to quickly flush it. Yeah, pretty minging. I've put a load of bleach in, pretty nasty. But what I've gone and bought is this from Screwfix, if I'm allowed to say that name. It was really expensive, like £130 or something. I did have a plunge, one of these type of tools that I've used in the past, but I just could not find it. It wasn't this expensive, but when I did use it, it really worked on another house. Couldn't find a cheap type, so I was forced into buying this expensive version, but hopefully I'll get to use it a few more times. So let's get to it, let's get it open, and I'm really hoping this toilet is going to get unblocked. I live in a flat. I don't know how far the waste goes horizontal out of here. It potentially doesn't just go straight down because there's another flat through that wall, so it's internal somewhere. So I don't know how I don't know the layout of the pipe work. So if it doesn't unblock it, I'm in major trouble really, because that pipe is completely concealed. You can't access it from outside at all. I don't know what. It's in the walls, within the building, and not on the external sections of the building. So we really need this unblocking. Right guys, got it out of the box and not much to it. We've got this section, got an adjustable handle that loosens, basically slides up and down, and then you've got this and you've got this, and that's it. So pretty basic for the money really. There's no instructions with it. There is a couple of pictures on the side of the box. Number one to look at, this little section, which is this. That looks like you use that if you're going to unblock a sink. And then that's under the sticker, but that looks to me like the long section, and that's obviously for the toilet. And what we do, going off these instructions, you block the overflow on any sinks, just to be on the safe side. You put that long section on, so this onto there. You need water in the toilet, which we already have because we've just flushed the toilet, so it's full of absolutely minging water. I actually don't really want to put this in that water, but there's not really much choice. So after I've done the job, I'm just going to have to bleach all that and clean it. So we've got water in there. At least there is a bit of bleach in there. I'm going to wear glasses just in case I don't want any splashback into my face because there's bleach in there. Then we put this into the toilet right down into the bottom section where the hole is, and then we pull this section out. So you actually draw, as you look at the little arrows, you're actually drawing water into this pump. So I've decided, I'm actually going to get a bucket of fresh water. I'm actually going to draw some fresh water, so I'm not getting that horrible, nasty water into into my new pump. So I'm going to get a bucket of water. Instead of drawing it out of the toilet, I'm going to draw it into the pump. Then I'm going to put it back into the toilet as such, and then you push down, and in theory it's going to put a lot of pressure down the pipe and unblock it. So all I need now is my cameraman, which is going to be my son. He's coming round to film this. So as you can see, the toilet's still blocked. So I'm not fibbing when I say it's pretty bad. There's my bucket of water, nice fresh water that I'm going to suck up into it. Right guys, right, we're ready to go. I was going to do it into this blue container of water just so I'm not sucking this dirty water up into this, but it won't work. As I suck it up, it just comes out. Got to be really quick to running out of storage on my phone, so we're going to put it in. I'm going to put it right into the hole. I've got my safety goggles on. Put it right down. I'm going to pull up, pull down. Pull up, pull down. And that is it. I can't believe how easy that was. That was amazing. The toilet is fixed. I thought that would be so much more difficult than that. Job done. I need to get the toilet brush out now and give the toilet a good clean, but look at that, it's flushing lovely. I've got that in there, so that's having a nice little soak because it was in a pretty dirty toilet then. Happy days.